first 10 minutes is theoretical concepts, okay? And after 10 minutes, we'll go for solving the examples. So Vedic speed mathematics is ancient India's amazingly compact, powerful, and world's fastest mental calculation system. So it is ancient India's amazingly compact, powerful, and world's fastest. It is very fast mental calculation system. We're going to solve some of the random examples. There you'll come to know whether it is really fast or not. Vedic speed mathematics is a collection of simple one-liner formulas to solve mathematical problems in easy and faster way. Here we are having simple formulas. They are one-liner formulas, no any difficult formulas. And the beauty is that you don't need to remember the formulas. Everything is based on the pattern. If you are going to remember the pattern, you are going to solve any type of problems. The pattern is very easy. Okay, I'm going to teach you the pattern. I'm going to solve some 1 or 2 examples. Later, I'll give you some 4 or 5 examples to solve you in the class, so that you are going to understand the formula, you are going to understand the pattern, and you are going to understand how to solve the problems, and you are going to practice in the class. And if you are going to remember only one pattern, so using that pattern, you'll be able to solve any type of problems in that particular type. Vedic speed mathematics was rediscovered from the Vedas by Jagadguru Shankaracharya Sri 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj of India. Have you heard about 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj?
No.
No. Have you heard about Vedas?
Yeah.
How many Vedas we are having? Anyone? How many Vedas we are having? What are those? ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, यजुर्वेद, अथर्ववेद. Have you heard about these Vedas? Okay. India's next gift to the world could be Vedic speed mathematics. So India has given many gifts to the world. So the next gift could be Vedic speed mathematics. And so as I told you that it is Vedic speed mathematics was rediscovered from the Vedas by Jagadguru Shankaracharya Sri 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj. So the Shankaracharya ji was studying Atharvaveda. In the Atharvaveda, they found that there are many mathematical formulas are available. So they found those formulas and they extracted those formulas in a separate book called Vedic Mathematics by 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj. So we all are learning Vedic mathematics. It is because of 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj. Okay, so they written a wonderful book, and they explained each and everything in that book. So it consists of arithmetic as well as algebra, and we all are learning Vedic mathematics. It is because of 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗍 Maharaj. Features of Vedic speed mathematics. I'm not going to read all these things. I'm going to read few of them. It is very simple, efficient, fast, coherent, flexible, original, and straightforward. These are not just the fancy words. You'll come to know these things, whether they are really true or not, after solving some of the problems by yourself. At the end of this class, you'll come to know these things. Problems are reduced to one-line answers. We'll be able to solve most of the problems using one-line answers. The formulas are very simple. The pattern is very interesting, and you are going to remember the formulas as well as pattern because they are very easy. Fine. Now, for whom this course is? This course is especially designed for the students. Okay, the first preference is given to the school students. Parents can also attend along with the students, and it is for mathematics teachers and math lovers, those who want to learn mathematics, homemakers, unemployed to learn and earn by tutoring, any exams where fast calculations are required. Suppose in the future you are going to give the competitive exams, there you need to solve the problems, mathematical problems, in very less time. In fraction of seconds you need to solve. In such cases, Vedic mathematics is going to be very useful for you. scientists and researchers to enable further research in Indian mathematics, astronomy, astrophysics, etc. Now, why this course is unique? So in the training, we're going to use simple and easy English, and we have already done the systematic classification of problems and formulas. Will not face any difficulties while learning the formulas, while learning any of the patterns. Will not face any difficulties because we have systematically classified the problems. Many solved examples with relevant explanation. You will find many examples in the class. You'll find many examples in the ebook. You'll find many examples in the workbook, many examples in the video course. Okay, so you are having multiple study materials, and you can refer them. You can understand the concepts. You can solve the problems, and anyhow, I'll be here to help you in the class. Complete working procedure. The working procedure is given, everything is given, okay, and that is self-explanatory also, okay, even uh, without the instructor also you can learn those things. Step-by-step solution for better understanding. Everything is step by step, okay. You no need to worry about uh, the, the things, because everything is given step by step. You will be understanding the things. Graphical representation for easy remembrance. So graphical representation is given in the video course as well as in the workbook, and I'll be also showing you the graphical representations in the class. Okay, so graphical representation, it makes you very easy to remember the pattern. Exercises with complete answers for cross verification. So in the ebook we given you the exercises, in the workbook the exercises are given. Okay, you can complete these exercises after the class. After each topic, after each class, you are going to complete some of the assignments and you are going to submit it to me. I am going to correct those assignments. Learn with fun concept and many more. So this is the course outcome. I'm not going to read it out. Okay, you can pause the video later and you can read these things. So this is about me. Myself is Mr. Chaitanya Patil. I am formerly Assistant Professor of School of Computer Engineering, MIT Pune. I am author of many books, ebooks, and video courses, and I am working as a director of 𝗕ecie Academy from last 6 years. I am having total of 11 plus years of experience. So these are the steps we are going to follow, the learning steps. Read book or ebook. So watch videos from the video course. You are going to get the ebook and video course, and you are also going to get the workbook from me after this class. Okay, attend online training. You need to attend the online training. There will be 2 classes per week. So every week there will be 2 classes. You need to attend both the classes. Before the class and after the class, I'll give you some of the assignments. You need to read the ebook, you need to watch the videos, you need to practice the program. Okay, so 2.5 hours class, and you need to work approximately 2.5 hours after the class in a week. Total 5 hours are required to learn Vedic mathematics. Okay, so 2.5 hours for the class, 2.5 hours for reading the book, watching the videos, practicing the programs. So total 5 hours per week. The course is designed for 10 weeks. So you need to dedicate minimum of 50 hours for this course, minimum. If you are going to dedicate more than 50, that's well and good. So download workbook for free. So I'll be giving you the workbook after this class. You can take the back-to-back printout on A4 pages. You can start practicing the exercises. Okay. So reach us on WhatsApp or email if you face any difficulties in learning. So during the class, if you face any difficulties, you can ask me in the class. After the class, if you face any difficulties, you can immediately WhatsApp us on this number. You can send me email, okay, on this email ID. So we are able to reply as early as possible. So you no need to wait for the next class to resolve your doubts. You can ask us, you can ask immediately and get it resolved. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Now we'll go for some random examples. Okay. We'll go for multiplication using base method, multiplication using crisscross method, squares. Okay, we'll go for the random examples. Now we are going to solve multiplication using base method. Okay, let us solve some of the problems using base method. Now, this is what is base method? Base method, the Sanskrit formula is 𝗕𝗔𝗻 formula. Okay, we call it as base method in English. Okay, base method is used to solve the for multiplication. In the multiplication, we are going to use the base method in multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, squares, cubes. Everywhere it is used, right? The same formula is applicable in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, and cubes. The 𝗕𝗔𝗻 formula. And now in multiplication, whenever I say in multiplication, base method is used whenever the numbers are closer to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. If the numbers are closer to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, we are going to use base method. If the numbers are not closer to 10, 100, 1000, then we are going to use crisscross method. There are two main methods in for multiplication. There are two main methods. One is base method and there is crisscross method. Base method is used when the numbers are closer to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. If the numbers are not closer to these things, it is not like that always the numbers are closer to 10, 100, 1000. The numbers may or may not, right? So if the numbers are not closer to 10, 100, 1000, then we are going to use crisscross method. In competitive exams, in most of the cases, the numbers are closer to working bases. That's why we need to learn this method. Okay. And if the numbers are not closer, we are going to learn crisscross method. Okay. So there are some concepts are involved here. Base, working base, complement, surplus. Okay. I'm not going to explain all those concepts in detail now. I'm going to tell you how to solve this problem in short. Okay, because we need much more time to explain all those things. This is a demo class. I need to explain many problems. That's why I'm not giving you the detailed information. I'll be giving you the information whatever it is required as of now. Okay, so I need to multiply these two numbers. Okay. How much time you need to solve this using regular method? What are the methods you know without using calculator? How much time you need? How much time you need? Say
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, very good. Now let us solve this example. Okay, now tell me this 107, is it greater than 100 or less than 100?
Greater than 100.
By how much?
7.
7. That's why I'm writing plus 7 here, because this is greater than 100 by 7. That's why I'm writing plus 7. In the same way, what I need to write here?
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Got it? Very simple. Plus 7 and plus 5. These are called surpluses. These are called surplus because this is greater than 100, greater than 100. In this case, base is 100 or base is 100 and these are called surpluses. Later we'll come to know what is base, working base, surplus, complement. Later we'll come to know in detail. As of now, I'm writing plus 7 here, plus 5 here. Okay. Now, answer consists of two parts. One is left part and there is right part. In base method, answer consists of two parts, left part and right part. How many parts? Two parts, left and right. Okay. What is left part? Left part is very easy. Go for evaluation of any of the cross values. Either go for 107 plus 5. What is the answer?
112.
112. Or go for 105 plus 7. What is the answer?
112.
112. In both the cases, you are going to get the same value. Either go from top to bottom or bottom to top. In both the cases, you are going to get the same values. Okay, 1012 in this case. I am going to get 112. Right. Now, right part is product of these two numbers, product of these two surpluses. 7 times 5, how much?
35.
35. That's it. This is my answer. 11235 is the answer. Got it?
Yes.
So 11235 is the answer. Left part is what? Evaluation of any of the cross values, 107 plus 5 or 105 plus 7. No need to go for both. Go for any one, whichever is easy for you. In this case, both are easy for me. I can go for either this or this. Right part is multiplication of these two numbers, product of these two numbers. There is a caution, okay? That caution we will be discussing in detail in the upcoming classes. When you join for the regular course, there will be discussing the caution, okay? Till that, this is the example. Now, we'll solve one more example, okay? We'll solve one more example. This is 112. This is 108. Can you solve this? Can you solve this?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the answer, direct answer.
Is the answer 12,096?
12,096. Very good. See, 112 here. So what I need to write here? Plus. What I need to write here? Plus 12. What I need to write here?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. Okay. So plus 12 and plus 8. Now answer consists of two parts again, left part and right part. Left part is what? Evaluation of any of the cross values, 112 plus 8 or 108 plus 12. So this one is easy for me, 112 plus 8. I'll go for this. That is 120. Okay. Now right part is what? 12 times 8. What is this? 12 8s are 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. 12096 is the answer. Now this is the right part. This is called surplus. Okay, right side. These are the surpluses. Right. We're going to write with the sign. If they are greater, we're going to write plus sign. If they are smaller than 100, we're going to write minus symbol. That is called complements. Now 12 and 8. 12 8s are 96. Left part is what? 112 plus 8 or 108 plus 12. That is 120. 12096 is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Can we go for the next example?
Yeah.
Now here we'll go for 1024 and here 1006. Now tell me what I need to write here.
24.
Here,
wait, no.
our base is 1000 now. The numbers are closer to 1000. Our base is 1000, not 100, because both the numbers are closer to 1000. Now this is greater than 1000 by how much?
24.
By 24. That's why I'm going to write 24 here. This number is greater than 1000 by how much?
6.
By 6. Okay. So this is 6. Now left part. What is left part? 1024 plus 6 or 1006 plus 24. How much? 1030, right? 1024 plus 6. What is the right part? 24 6 how much? 24 6 anyone? 144. How to calculate this? You know 20. If you don't know the table of 24, you know 24 times 5, that is 120. Add 24 to that. 120 plus 24, 144. Got it? Understood? One zero three zero 144 is the answer. Any questions here? Please unmute and speak.
I understand
Okay.
it.
What about others? Do you have any questions here? Fine. Very good. Now, so this is the base method of multiplication. Then we are going to solve a problem using crisscross method of multiplication. See, base method, I told you that if the numbers are closer, to working basis. That is, if the numbers are closer to 10, 100,000, in that case, we are going to use base method of multiplication. If the numbers are not closer to base and not closer to 10, 100,000, in that case, we need to use crisscross method of multiplication. Suppose 37, this is not closer to 100, then 72, or we'll take 64. These numbers are not closer now. Okay, these are in the middle. These are not closer to 100. These are not closer to 10. Right. So how to solve such type of examples? Now tell me total how many digits are there? How many digits you see here?
4.
4 digits. Here 2 digits, here 2 digits. 2 plus 2 is 4 digits. 4 digit means answer consists of 3 parts. 4 digit means answer consists of 3 parts. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. Answer consists of 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. First part is very easy. First part is just multiply the respective first digits of both multiplicand and multiplier. Tell me the answer. 3 times 6, how much?
18.
18. Now in the same way, what is last part?
28.
7 times 4, 28. Got it? First part and last part, how it works?
Yes.
Okay, first part is what? First part is what? You are going to multiply respective first digits of both multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, last part is what? You are going to multiply respective last digits of both multiplicand and multiplier. 7 times 4. Now, what is middle part? First and last part is over now. What is middle part? Middle part is crisscross. Middle part is crisscross. What do you mean by crisscross? You are going to multiply 3 into 4. Okay, you are going to multiply 3 into 4, and you are going to multiply 6 into 7, and you are going to add those two. Tell me what is 3 into 4?
12.
12. What is 6 times 7?
42.
42. Very good. Very good. Please tell me the answer. Okay, you can unmute and speak. Now we'll evaluate this. 42 plus 12.
54.
54. Very good. Now what we'll do? So we got 3 parts: 18, 54, 28. This is not the final answer. What we need to do? We need to start observation from the right hand side. Make sure that in each part you are having only one digit. You are having only one digit. If there are more than one digits, you need to transfer the digits. We'll keep the rightmost excess digit. We'll keep 8. We'll transfer this 2. 54 plus 2, how much?
56.
56. I'll make it 56. Now again 2 digits. We'll keep this 6. We'll transfer the 5. I'll transfer this 5. 18 plus 5. How much?
23.
23. So 2368 is the answer. So we are going to solve one more example. You will get clear picture here. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We'll solve one more example. Okay. So suppose this is 81 and this is 79. Now tell me what is the first part?
56.
56. What is the last part?
9.
Last part is 9. So how 56? 8 times 7, that is 56. 1 times 9, that is 9. The middle part, coming to the middle part, 8 nines are
72.
8 nines are 72. 7 ones are
7.
7. See, 8 nines are 72, 7 ones are 7. Crisscross. 8 nines are 72, 7 ones are 7, 72. 72 plus 7, how much?
70,
72 plus 7 is
79.
79.
79. We need to start observation from the right hand side. Okay, we'll go from here. So only 1 digit, no need to transfer. Keep it as it is. Come here, 2 digits. We'll keep 9 here. We'll transfer this 7 to the left hand side. 56 plus 7, how much?
63.
63. 6399 is the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll solve one more example. Okay, we'll solve one more. Suppose this is, you can tell me any 2-digit random number. Any 2-digit random number?
42.
42. Okay. Tell me one more.
69.
69. Okay. 42, 69. Let us solve this. Okay. What is the first part?
24.
24. 24 is the first part. 4 times 6. This is 24. Middle part. What is middle part? We'll go for the second part now. Crisscross. 9 fours are 4 nines are 9 fours are, that is 36. 6 twos are 12. 36 plus 12. 36 plus 12.
48.
How much? 36
48.
plus 12. Okay. So we are going to calculate this in our mind. We are going to write 48 here. Okay. We are not going to write 36 plus 12 in the first go. Then remove that 48. No. Directly we are going to write 48. Now last part. 2 nines are 18.
18. Sorry.
Okay. So we got these 3 parts. What we'll do, we'll start observation. We'll keep this 8. We'll transfer the 1. 48 plus 1. How much? 49. We'll keep this 9. We'll transfer the 4. We'll transfer the 4. 24 plus 4. How much?
28.
28. 2898 is the answer. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll go for squares. Okay. We'll go for squares. We'll go for squares. What do you mean by squares? What do you mean by squares?
You have to multiply the number by itself.
Yes. 35 square is nothing but 35 times 35. Square is nothing but again it is a multiplication. Square is nothing but again a multiplication. You are going to multiply the same number twice. 35 square means what? You are going to multiply 35 with 35. 45 square means what? You are going to multiply 45 with 45. 71 square means what? You are going to multiply 71 with 71. 29 square is, you are going to multiply 29 with 29. Now, if the numbers are ending in digit 5, then if you want to find squares of such numbers, using Vedic mathematics, you can find squares of such numbers in just 2 seconds. 35. How? Let us see here. Answer consists of two parts. One is left part and there is right part. Answer consists of two parts, left part and right part. Okay. So right part is always 25. What is left part? Let us see this. What is this digit?
3.
What is its next digit in the number line?
4.
4. Multiply 3 and 4.
12.
12. This is the final answer. 1225 is the square of 35. 1225 is the square of 35. Got it? We'll see one more example. Okay, we'll see one more example. What is square of 45? Can anyone tell now?
Is it 2025?
Very good. So right part is always 25. No need to change. Left part. What is this number? 4. What is it next number after 4 in the number line?
5.
5. 4 into 5?
20.
20. Very good. Now tell me 65. What is square of 65? What is square of 65?
4,225.
Very good. 4225. So this number is ending with 5. We can apply this formula. So square of 5 is 25. This number is 6. 6 times 7 is
42.
6 times 7 is 42. 4225 is the answer. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. In the same way, 85. 85.
7,225.
Yes, 7225. This number is ending in digit 5. Right part is 25. Left part is what? This is 8. Okay, 8. The next number in the number line is 9. 8 9s are 72. 7225 is the answer. Got it?
Yeah.
Any questions here?
No.
Fine. Now we'll solve one more example, one more type of the example using square, then we'll stop. Okay. So this is what finding the square whenever the numbers are closer to whenever the number is ending in digit 5. Okay. Now there one more method. Okay. If the numbers are closer to bases, suppose 106. Suppose 106. The number is closer to 10, 100, 1000. How to solve in 2 seconds? Now for 106, the base is 100 because the number is closer to 100. What is the surplus here? What is the surplus? Surplus is the number is greater than 100, right?
Yes.
By how much?
6.
By 6. 6 is nothing but the surplus. 6 is the surplus. Now what is right part is what? Square of surplus.
So 36.
36. Right part is square of surplus 36. Left part is what? Number plus surplus. The given number, that is 106, plus surplus. 106 plus 6. How much? 112.
Yeah.
So this is the answer. 11236 is the square of 106. Got it?
Yes.
So Answer consists of two parts, left part and right part. What is left part? Left part is nothing but number plus surplus. 106 plus 6, that is 112. Right part is what? Square of surplus, square of 6. Square of 6 is nothing but 36. Got it?
Yes.
So 11236 is the answer. Now coming to the next one, 107. Tell me the square of 107. Without calculating, in your mind you can calculate and tell me. Here base is 100, given number is 107 and surplus is plus 7.
11,449.
Very good. See here. So left part is what? Given number plus surplus, 107 plus 7. That gives 114. Right part is what? Square of surplus, square of 7. Square of 7, how much? 49. 11449. In the same way, can you tell me the square of 108? Calculate in your mind and tell me 108.
11,664.
Yes, 11664. For 108, number is 108, base is 100, surplus is plus 8. Left side is 108 plus 8, that is 116. Right part is square of 8, that is 64. Okay, so this is also nothing but a base method put in a different form. Whatever the base method we learned in the initial stage. Okay, so the same formula we are using here but put in a different form. Okay, so whenever you learn in detail about the base method, crisscross method, these squares and all those things, you will come to know which method, how it is implemented, how to solve, what is the pattern. Okay, so you need to learn all these things in detail and you need to understand the pattern and you need to practice a lot. Then only you are going to understand all these concepts in a systematic manner. Okay, we are going to stop the class over here. If you are having any questions, please let me know that we are going to discuss now. Okay, if you don't have any questions, we are going to end the